Yes.
And now, gusto nilang makilala kasi kung sino ba si Kyle before maging CEO and founder ng Conex Media.
So, nagsisimula ako, I started kasi sa business. College pa lang ako actually. So, parang dati, I think mga third year ako, nagsimula ako trading. So, if you're familiar with stock trading, ganyan. May kasi ako gusto kasi kumita ng pera, pandate. Kasi during that time, maliit lang yung baon ko, hindi ako binibigyan ng parents ko naman ng malaki. Single parent din yung ako. So, yun lang, sakto lang talaga yung baon ko. So, nag-isip talaga ako, third year pa lang ako. Paano ba ako pwede kumita ng pera? So, doon na nag-switch for me. And yun nga, nagsimula ako sa trading, kaso, hirap pala naman. Kailangan mo maging...
Forex trading ba yan?
Stock trading, PSE, di ba? And during that time, hindi ko, parang isip ko na, akala ko madali. Di ba? Sabi sa online lang.
Yes.
Tapos, click-click ka lang, and then kikita ka na. But apparently, it's really hard kasi emotions.
Yan yung bibili ka ng company na i-investan mo.
Correct.
Bibili ka ng stocks and then
ibebenta mo pag tumaas yung presyo.
So, kailangan aralin mo yung market.
Yes, yes. So, yun, grabe rin yun. During that time, dami gusto nilang mga courses, mga communities. Kaso, after 3 years of doing that, 3 years nga ba yun? Basta 3 years, na-realize ko na, sobrang hirap pala. Ang dali sabihin, pero ang hirap pala yan. So, na-realize ko na, I wanted to earn money, pero in a more sustainable way. Kaya dun ko naisip yung online business. So, kasi same thing, online siya. Pero, at least, it's still a business. Like, may value creation nga na nangyayari. Ibig sabihin, nagbibenta ako ng something of value to people. Hindi lang click-click lang sa online.
So, bali yung 3 years mo, parang wala siyang naging magandang resulta.
Wala talaga.
Kasi minsan nalulugi. Parang gano'n.
Hindi nga minsan Parang nalugi lang talaga ako. Lahat ng ipon ko, wala.
Pero actually, maganda rin siya, yung stock trading. Ano lang siya, parang ipili ka lang ng magandang company and then, hayaan mo lang yung pera.
Yes,
pero pag nilaro mo siya, yun yung mahirap.
Correct. During that time, bata pa ako nun So, napaka-emotional ko nun. So, that's the thing about stock trading. Hindi siya masama.
Yes.
Pero, kapag hindi ka marunong humawak ng pera, sobrang bilis niyang mawala.
Yes, oo.
So, ako, being, syempre, newbie as they call it, diba? Syempre, medyo immature pa tayo. So, that's why, parang na-realize ko after a while na it's not for me. That's why I focused on what other business I can create or can do para mas sustainable. So, doon ako pumasok sa e-commerce. So, parang, I believe I was last sem ko nun 5 years kasi ako nag-aaral ng college So, nung last sem ko nun, hindi na ako nag-aaral masyado. Tapos, nag-focus talaga ako sa pag-build ng business. So, dun ko na nakilala, apparently, during that time. Ang dami nun, Shopify, and daming communities. Kasi yung mga kaibigan ko nun na nagsisimula back in 2019, grabe, as in, talagang, hanggang ngayon, actually, close pa rin kami dun sa mga friends ko na yun. Pero, lahat kami nun, yung parang nasa coffee shop lang, tapos nag-aaral pa.
Mastermind.
Mastermind. Ganun, puro ganun lang. Grabe. So,
kasi wala naman nagtuturo kumbaga based on experience na lang.
Correct, no? If may magtuturo man, napaka-limited ng knowledge.
Yes. Parang based on sa na-experience mo, paano ginawa mo.
Yes. So, puro trial and error, testing, no? So, yun, during that time, yun din, ganun din. Sa umpisa, medyo mahirap. But eventually, matututunan mo rin naman siya. So, dun na nag-start until sa daming failures, sometimes okay, sometimes hindi. But one thing led to another. Essentially, yung e-commerce business ko, bumagsak siya for like, I think 2021 during the pandemic season. So, nung bumagsak siya, na-realize namin that ang pinaka-importante pala in a business is having a brand.
Yes.
So, bakit? No? Just quick context about it. Kasi, kahit na mawala yung entire business mo, but if you have a brand, the brand is still an asset na pwede mong ibenta. Diba? So, even if lugi na lahat, benta mo yung brand mo, mababawi mo yun.
Yes.
Right? So, that's when we decided to focus on brand building or essentially marketing talaga. So, yun, doon na nabuo yung Konix Media. And it took a while, like 6 years doing business. So, it's 2025 now, right? So, 6 years doing business. Finally, we've been doing this for 3 years. Yung digital marketing firm, no? And so far, we've handled more than 30 plus brands already. And so far, wala naman malaking reklamo. Masaya naman sila. Nakaka-create naman kami ng brand. And it's been a long ride, but sobrang worth it. Yun na lang masasabi ko. Sobrang worth it. Kasi yung business na hinandle namin hanggang ngayon, we've handled businesses more than 4 years.
Parang nandyan pa rin sila.
Sorry, nandyan pa rin sila. So, may mga clients kami na sobrang tagal talaga sa amin. And until now, buhay pa rin yung business nila. Kasi at the end of the day, nandun pa rin yung brand.